Welcome to Car World. Today, we're diving into one of the most exciting muscle cars of the modern era, the 2026 Shelby GTH. This car isn't just a throwback to the legendary GTH models of the past, it's a bold evolution, built to thrill drivers with an unmatched combination of American muscle, modern design, and track-ready performance. If you're looking for a car that blends everyday drivability with raw power, the new GTH just might be your dream machine. From the moment you lay eyes on the 2026 Shelby GTH, you know it means business. The wide stance, sculpted body lines, and aggressive aerodynamic elements give it a fierce look that's impossible to ignore. Up front, a blacked-out grille featuring the iconic Shelby snake badge sets the tone. Sharp LED headlights and a vented hood enhance both form and function, providing better airflow to the massive engine beneath. On the sides, you'll notice widened fenders housing 20-inch performance wheels wrapped in high-grip tires. The lowered suspension, side skirts, and Shelby badging create a visual statement of power. Around back, the design is finished off with quad exhaust tips, a functional rear diffuser, and a tasteful spoiler that provides real aerodynamic benefit at high speeds. Every inch of the GTH's exterior screams performance. But this car isn't just about looks. Under the hood lies the true soul of the Shelby GTH's supercharged 5.2-liter V8 engine that cranks out over 600 horsepower and more than 600 pounds-ft of torque. Whether you're launching off the line or overtaking on the highway, this car responds with a roar and rockets forward like a wild beast. 0 to 60 miles per hour, just 3.5 seconds. Top speed, well over 180 miles per hour. What makes this engine so special isn't just the numbers, it's the feeling. When you press the throttle, the engine snarls to life with a thunderous growl that's addictive. It's paired with your choice of a 6-speed manual transmission, perfect for those who want complete control, or a 10-speed automatic with paddle shifters that offers lightning-fast gear changes. The driving dynamics of the GTH have been finely tuned by Shelby engineers. The chassis has been stiffened for improved cornering, while the suspension uses adaptive, MagneRide dampers to provide a comfortable ride during cruising and sharpened performance during spirited driving. The Brembo brakes offer serious stopping power, making this car equally capable at the racetrack as it is on a city street. Inside, the Shelby GTH continues to impress. The cabin blends premium materials with performance-focused design. You're greeted by bolstered Recaro seats wrapped in leather and Alcantara, complete with Shelby embroidery. The flat-bottom steering wheel is wrapped in suede, and carbon fiber trim accents the dashboard, center console, and doors. The digital instrument cluster is fully customizable and displays vital information such as oil temperature, boost levels, G-forces, and even lap times. The center touchscreen runs Ford's latest SYNC5 infotainment system, giving you access to navigation, music, smartphone integration via Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and Shelby's own performance tracking apps. You can even record your runs on the track and analyze your performance later. Despite all the power, the 2026 GTH doesn't sacrifice comfort or convenience. Dual-zone climate control, wireless charging, a premium Bang & Olufsen audio system, and a full suite of driver assistance features make this a car you can enjoy every day. Adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and automatic emergency braking add an extra layer of security while you enjoy the ride. Now, let's talk about what the GTH badge means. Back in the 1960s, Shelby and Hertz created the original GTH, short for GT Hertza, special edition Shelby Mustang, available through rental programs. The idea was simple: rent a race car, drive it for the weekend, and experience pure American performance. The concept was so popular, it returned again in the early 2000s. Now in 2026, the Shelby GTH carries that same spirit but takes it to a whole new level. This isn't just a rental special, it's a serious performance machine built for collectors, enthusiasts, and everyday thrill-seekers. Each GTH comes with its own Shelby serial number plaque, official documentation, and access to the exclusive Shelby registry. That means this car is more than just a vehicle, it's a piece of automotive history. Production will be limited, adding to the GTH's appeal as a future classic. Enthusiasts who own a Shelby GTH are part of an elite community of gearheads who value craftsmanship, heritage, and performance. Driving the 2026 Shelby GTH isn't just about speed, it's about connection. It connects you to the road, to the past, and to the thrill of driving something that's been engineered to excite. It's the kind of car that turns every drive into an event. Whether you're hitting the freeway, navigating twisty mountain roads, or simply revving it up in your garage, the GTH delivers a sensory experience like no other. In a world where many performance cars are going electric, Shelby stays true to its roots with this gasoline-powered monster. That V8 rumble, the mechanical feel of the gear changes, and the raw acceleration remind us why we fell in love with cars in the first place. It's not just a car, it's a statement, a reminder that passion still drives innovation. That's so, if you're looking for a car that delivers stunning looks, serious speed, track-ready performance, and everyday usability all wrapped in a package that honors one of the most iconic names in American automotive history, the 2026 Shelby GTH is the answer. It's the rebirth of a legend, and it's ready to